Alright. I guess that's everything. Let's go do the boss real quick. God, I actually kind of got some movement. Don't got too many stuff for the drones, but that's alright. Where? Uh-oh. Right, I kind of forgot there'd be two of them. Come on. I don't know what she's doing right here. Ooh-wee. Boy with a uke! Save me! That's actually probably my best bet at safety. Okay. Tough. Cool. Everything's dead. Alright, well, I actually like most of my stuff. So not really anything at the bazaar I want. Don't have it. I only have 2 greens, but they're useful to me, so I don't want to get rid of them. Only have a couple of things. What's in this corner of the map? Alright, alright. I think I grab this guy. Place them up top here so that they don't get blocked by anything. Ow. That shit hurted. We'll do that. Call those in. Try to kill them. Do it quickly. Where did my drones go? Oh no. One of them's already dead again. Oh goodness. Oh my. Let's get them both up here. Alright. Everyone died. Who's left? What beetle queen has 400 health left? You do? You were dead earlier. Sick. Alright, let's go see. Now I even have more. I don't really care too much for the slowdown. So, maybe. Let's go see. Five. kind of like all of my grays. I'm realizing I only grabbed one of those heal after 2 seconds. Infusion would have been a good pairing with the shield generator, but would have been good with the shield generator, but beggars can't be choosers and all that. Ooh, bungus room. Doesn't take very many of these to become unkillable. Might actually throw a couple. I'll remember this is here. I might come back for more of these. Because those are like the bread and butter of an engineer build. Get enough of those and you're caked. You're golden. What's down here? Anything useful today? Just let's shoot for 5. I have 5 things I'm willing to get rid of. That was not one of them. What did I get rid of? That was one of them. That was one of them. Hopefully it takes crowbar from me. I have enough of those and it doesn't help my guy. Would have preferred keeping that. Alright. We'll do one more. Try to get rid of crowbar. Okay, that was the last one I was willing to get rid of. Alright. But that should be plenty of nonsense. Might get hit a few more times, but that should be fine. Never did find another queue. Oh yeah, that's right. Alright, alright. See, now it's at 27. What the fuck are you shooting at? I'll be so upset if it goes somewhere else. Oh my god, I don't think they can hit that. What's setting them on fire? Oh. There's a mechanic I don't know. Ooh, a gold. What is the gold over there? It's this one. You know what? We'll keep the fire wisps while sprinting. Just because it's decent. It's not gonna be too crazy helpful, but it's something. Ah. It's mainly helpful in running around. Ooh, ooh. Hate him, hate him. Hate him. Ooh. What's Savannah calling me for? Yes, sister.
I'm done
With work?
with work.
How was work?
Not that bad actually.
I told you.
Lots of sitting at a computer.
Oh, that's just the first day.
Yeah, but the HR lady, Mary, I hiccuped and she's like, "Better get away from that gin bottle, young lady." And I'm like, "What? We're cracking jokes already?"
What? Listen here.
I was like, "Let me log in."
Oh my god.
But I didn't take a lunch,
Probably should have.
so I'm absolutely starving. I work at 8:45 tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah, Thursday, and that's who's training me. Also because, well, I want to go do a blood draw. Initially she was just going to schedule me for like 10 o'clock instead of 8:45 like the rest of them. But instead she's like, well, since Amber's not working on Thursday, I'll just give you the day off. I just won't schedule you for that day. And then I work 8:45 to 4:45 on Wednesday, Friday, Saturday.
Really?
Yeah. And if my math is correct, those are all 8 hours.
Hope so. That's a lot of hours.
Yep, and I get my first paycheck next Friday.
Oh my god.
Yeah. So it goes Sunday to Saturday, so the end of the week is on Saturday. I think is what you said. Which means if I work 7 hours, like roughly 7 hours today, and then 8 hours tomorrow, and 8 hours on Friday and Saturday. So what's 8 times 3?
A lot.
24. So
Whew, okay.
that's 31 hours. I'll make 465, roughly.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's good money.
I know. I'm looking a little excited, but I also want to grab the shit out of it.
Why? It's money.
I know. But I'm scared.
Of what?
I have to be there for their meeting in the morning.
Tomorrow?
I'm really afraid of.
You'll be alright. You'll be alright.
Hey, I need to go grab some food. I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna buy some uncomfortable sound flexibles.
Don't go spending money you don't have yet.
I still have some child support money left.
Cringe.
Well, it goes out in a couple days.
What do you mean?
I have to work on my birthday.
Ha ha. I requested that day off.
Didn't you work on your birthday?
No, I always request my birthday off.
Why?
Because it's my birthday and it's one of the few days that are special in a year that I can confidently get off, because who's actually requesting February 10th off? Besides losers who want something close to Valentine's Day off.
I don't ever request my birthday off. Oh, I didn't request it off because she gave me Thursday and the 10th off because I have a dentist appointment.
Even more healing, eh? What's spawning on me?
What?
I'm playing. Alright. Fuck. This thing's terrifying.
What?
This boss.
What?
I hate this boss. Ooh, shit.
Why?
Just what it is. I don't know what did all that damage to me. But it's not okay. Stop healing. You fucking asshole. I need y'all focused on the big boss. Come on. Just a little bit more. There we go. We got him. Fuck me. That was rough. I've lost so many of my soldiers. It's actually a slight lie I'm telling you. I don't think I lost any of my soldiers. But I did it. I won that fight. On to the next world I go. That fight actually wasn't like... I almost died only like once or twice. I almost died in that fight once or twice, but not honestly got too close. Like I was pretty close to dying, but it wasn't like a guaranteed I was gonna die. Is that the grandparent? God damn it. I'm gonna go try dealing with this fucker. I don't... He's in an annoying spot, too. You're gonna start with that shit? Annoying, actually.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, because it's an AoE and it damages everything within its AoE. So all of the drones I've accumulated over the past like while, the past 5 stages, just died. Oh, that's a random W.
What?
All of my drones just died in like one swift sitting. Huh?
But you kill all your drones, right?
I didn't. The fuck ass dude who summoned... The dick who summoned everything did. Or the dick who does AoE damage did. I have no clue. Beef? Beef thief? Yeast?
Oh my god.
I'm sorry you're a weirdo and can't speak. I picked up the pre-run accelerate.
Wait a what?
Picked up a pre-run accelerate.
I want to look for dinner.
Oh my god. That's so upsetting. This random dude one-shot me. And wasted one of my fucking goated reds. Oh my god.
Oh.
I don't want to loot. I just kinda want to... Ooh, get me... Ooh. Let's control you. Ooh, I know better than staying there. My turrets are goated. My turrets are goated. Yeah, baby. The turrets are alive! Wow, my turrets actually survived that. That's kind of crazy. Ooh, okay, leave me alone. God damn it. I'm more useful just sprinting around making sure I stay alive. Alright. That worked out pretty well. I have a good number of useless stuff. Could try gambling some of it away, but that risks gambling away the useful stuff. We'll hit one of these. See, that's a useful item I didn't really want to lose. That's a useless I'm fine with losing. We'll hit one more. See? Alright, we're done. We're done here. We're sitting at 12 healing. 12 bungish rooms. Here's hoping those are enough to keep me. And, not me alone, but here's hoping that's enough to keep me and hopefully the drones alive. Alright. Gotta keep it moving.
Is this thing on?
So what thing on?
Yeah, it's fine.
She just mad at you. She wants your attention now. I'm running away. By a cat. By a cat. There's no tricking Kitty. Run away! That one shot it? Oh, this fight is gonna be a slog. That guy's bouncing through the air attacking people. That's not okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's not alright.
it is.
No. No, it's not. What's even more not alright is he's not, he's not behaving himself. He's not actually taking too crazy a damage, which is what's upsetting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, one of my drones just isn't really doing its job. So it's quite unfortunate. Are you trying to tell me he just obliterated the fuck out of that guy? Damn, he got both of my engineer drones in one fell swoop. That's evil. Okay, there's more drones to be bought. He's actually started killing some of them.
Really?
I mean, he's been killing them, but... Alright, this part's gonna get hectic.
UV is not soft. Don't be a liar.
I don't know what you're on about. Yubi is the softest bitch I know.
The ultraviolet rays, Brian. Oh my god, there's a calculator.
On your watch?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
That is so cool.
Oh, what did half my health? I died. But I came back.
Guess that means you're done.
Nope, I actually came back, so I just can't die to the final 2 stages now, which will be kind of rough. Cause yeah.
I wonder if I can set reminders on this thing.
That guy is up in the corner being a little shitbag. Alright, Mithrix is back. Oh. Where's your revives, guys? Where are my drones? I don't even know where the fuck is at right now. Okay. At max, they're only kind of letting me have, oh fuck, that's why they're not reviving. I don't have the revive thing anymore.
Oh.
So my drones don't have it. That just made this a whole hell of a lot harder. Because unfortunately my drones are actually kind of getting one-shot by some of his attacks, so... Oh, there we go. I died. Fuck! That was a close one. Okay. Damn. That sucks. Let me do a couple of things real quick before I get on.